بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear students, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the third year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadaiti. As you can see, this is a continuous for our revision that we already started in the previous week. In the previous week, we revised days and weather, part 1. Today, inshallah, we will continue revising days and weather. What I recommend is have your books, notebooks, pencils, in case you need to take some notes for the last unit in your book. That would be unit number 4 of the third book. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, we are expected to describe the weather by asking the question, what's the weather like? Or, how is the weather today? What is the weather like? How is the weather today? Also, we will continue because ordinal numbers are very important. I want to make sure that you understand ordinal numbers. Also, as usual, we'll be doing a lot of exercises. And for that part, I need you to have your pencils, notebooks ready. So let's start. Bismillah. As I told you before, in the previous lesson, we practiced days of the week. Also, we practiced the months, the seasons. Also, we introduce and practice using ordinal numbers, and we differentiate between ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers As you can see, we introduced days of the week. Let's read them one more time. So starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And don't forget to use capital letter at the beginning of these days. Now, as you can see here, as I gave you in the previous revision, here I have two kinds of numbers. To your left, I have ordinal numbers. That's our lesson today. To your right, I have cardinal numbers. Let's try to differentiate between both of them. To your right, I have cardinal numbers. If I ask you how many green dots do we have, or green circles? I have 1. And the second one, I have 1, 2. So what I'm doing now is I am counting, okay? I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as I'm counting the fingers on my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 fingers. Okay? But for ordinal numbers, it's a different story. As you can see, I will ask you about the place of the red circle. Where is it? Here it came first. So it's the first one. Below, it came second. So it's the second. So here I'm focusing on the place or the position. Okay? Next, where is it? It came third. Not first, not second, but third. Next, I have fourth, and then I have fifth. It's very important to differentiate between cardinal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and ordinal numbers first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, and so on. Okay? Now, as you can see here, my dear student, I have first as a word, and I have the abbreviation that is number 1 and the last 2 letters of the word, letter S and letter T. Okay? Same for second, number 2 and the last letter N, D. Next, I have third, number 3, R, D. Fourth, number 4, T, H. Same for all the ordinal numbers. Okay? Remember, we use ordinal numbers for this situation. Okay? We have a race here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 players. Okay? In this race. I have 5, right? But who came first? Who won the race? Okay? Who got the gold medal? I have the guy or the man who's wearing a green shirt. He came he came first. Second one, I have the second one who's wearing blue. Third, fourth, and fifth. So here I'm focusing not on the number, but the place or the position of each and every player. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Very good, excellent. Now, let me give you this easy exercise. I know you can do it. As you can see here, I have cupcakes. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay? Now, below, I gave you the first one as an example. Where's the colored cupcake? It came third, right? So, not the first, not the second, but it came third. How about the banana, my dear student? Tell me about the position or the place of the banana here. It came or it comes first. Very good. It was the first banana, okay? The colored banana or the yellow banana came first. How about the sandwich? How about the sandwich? Now, try to remember the ordinal numbers that we learned. Is it the first, second, third, fourth? Actually, it's the fifth sandwich. It's the fifth sandwich. Very good. Now let's move to the carrots. Where is the colored carrots? It came second. Very good. It came second. Excellent. And the last one, I have apples. I have 5 apples. But the red apple came fourth. Very good, my dear student. It came fourth. Okay? So these are the ordinal numbers. Now, let's introduce or let's revise weather. In the previous unit or in the previous week, we revised days and months. But today we'll be focusing more about the weather. What do we mean by the word weather? I need you to take a minute to read this verse from the Holy Quran, Surah Fatir, and then we will talk later. Also, let's read this verse. And let's read this hadith from Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Now, let's talk more about weather. What do we mean by the word weather? As you can see here, I have different pictures that describe different weather, okay? How do I know or how do we ask about the weather? By using this question, what's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? If I ask you, my dear student, now, living in different cities, okay, you will give me different answers to this question. What's the weather like today? As you can see here, I have 6 different weathers, right? But no names, okay? I can see sun shining, but here I can see some clouds, rain, right? Thunder. The first weather, now I'll be reading them quickly and then we will talk about them one at a time. Sunny, cloudy, snowy, partly cloudy, rainy, and stormy, okay? Let's read one more time. Sunny, cloudy, snowy, partly cloudy, rainy, and stormy, and stormy. Very good. Now, let's take one weather at a time. And I need you to repeat after me, my dear student, the question and the answer. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? It is sunny. It is sunny. Moving to the second one. How's the weather today? It is cloudy. How's the weather today? It is cloudy. Very good. Moving to the next one. How's the weather today? It is snowy. How's the weather today? It is snowy. Very good, very good. Moving to the next one. How's the weather today? It is rainy. How is the weather today? It is rainy. How's the weather today? It is stormy. How's the weather today? It is stormy. Very good. How's the weather today? It is partly cloudy. It's partly cloudy. Now I need you to grab your notebook and your pencils and start showing your beautiful handwriting. We will practice writing sentences about the weather. How's the weather today, or what's the weather like today? We have different answers. It is rainy. We can copy it one more time. Make sure you are writing between the line. I know you can do better than mine. It is rainy. Very good, my dear student. Moving to the next one. What's the weather like? It is cloudy. You can find this at your book. It is cloudy. Don't forget to copy it one more time. Moving to the next sentence. What's the weather like? It is snowy. Look at the picture. It's very cold. It is snowy. Okay? Practice writing these sentences several times. Let's move to the next one. Also, you can find this. We have different weathers here. What's the weather like? It is sunny. It is sunny. Go ahead and copy it here. What's the weather like? It is dusty. Make sure you are writing between the correct lines. Moving to the last one. What's the weather like? It is windy. It is windy. Very good, my dear student. Keep writing. Practice writing between the specific line. Okay? Now, let's have several exercises, my dear student. As you can see here, I have a weather. Describe the weather for me. What's the weather like here? I have different answer. It's sunny, it's rainy, it's cloudy. What do you think? I have three options for you. What's the weather like? It's not sunny, definitely not rainy, but it is cloudy. Very good. It is cloudy. It is cloudy. So let's read our answer. What's the weather like? It is cloudy. It is cloudy. Very good. Now, I need you to complete. Now, for this one, I'll be giving you like, let's say 20 seconds. I know you can write the correct answers in your notebook. I have three different weathers for you. What's the weather like in the first one? What's the weather like in the second? And now I'm using ordinal numbers. And what's the weather like in the third picture? You have 15 seconds. Go ahead. Now, let's try to answer the first picture. What's the weather like? It is sunny. Very good. It is sunny. Moving to the one in the middle. What's the weather like? It is rainy. Very good. It is rainy. And how about the last one? What's the weather like? It is cloudy. It is cloudy. Very good, my dear student. Now let's go to this exercise. Let's match. To your left, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. To your right, I have 5 sentences that describe the weather. Okay? Try to match the correct picture with the correct sentence. I have it is stormy, it's snowy, it's sunny, it's cloudy, and it is rainy. So what do you think? What do you think? Starting from the first one, it is sunny. Very good. It is sunny. Moving to the one below, what's the weather like? It is rainy. It is rainy. Very good. Excellent. Let's move to the next one. What's the weather like? It is stormy. It is stormy. Excellent. Excellent. And now I have 2 remaining pictures and 2 remaining sentences. What's the weather like here? It is snowy. Very good. It is snowy. And moving to the last one, what's the weather like? It is cloudy. It is cloudy. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, as you can see here, fill in the missing letters. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pictures, and I have the weather below, but that misses some of the letters. Let's go ahead and try to complete with the correct answer. For the first one, what's the weather like, my dear student? It is snowy. So let's go ahead and complete with the missing letters. Very good. Moving to the one right next to it. What's the weather like? It is cloudy. Very good. It is cloudy. That misses O and U. Moving to the next one. Sunny. So what do you think? Shall I put A, E? The answer is U. Very good. Next, the weather is windy. It misses an I. Very good. And the last one, it is rainy. That misses it. It misses an A and an I. Very good, my dear students. So now let's read our answers. Snowy, cloudy, sunny, windy, and rainy. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, as you can see here, I have, again, different pictures that describes the weather, and I have the weather in the box above. I have stormy, cloudy, snowy, sunny, windy, and rainy. Starting from the first picture, it is sunny. Next one, it is rainy. Moving to the next one, it is cloudy. Next, snowy. Moving to the next one, that blows. It's windy. And the last one, it is stormy. It is stormy. Let's read our answers. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, windy, and stormy. Very good, my dear student. Now, also I have this picture. As you can see, I have the pictures to your left, and I have the words. Starting from the first one, partly cloudy. Next, I have rainy. Very good. Next one. Now I have sunny, snowy, and cloudy. Very good. This one is cloudy. Now I have sunny and snowy. Very good. That one is sunny, and the last one is snowy. Very good, my dear student. Now, I will give you 10 seconds. Try to complete with the correct answer. Describe or complete the sentences. You have 2 weathers. I need 1 word. The first one is, what do you think? Can I say it's snowy? Is it rainy? Is it stormy? Is it windy? Definitely not. It is sunny. It is sunny. Very good. How about the next one? What's the weather like? It is rainy. Very good. It is rainy. Excellent, my dear student. Let's try to do this as fast as we can. What's the weather like, or how's the weather today? Now I give you 4 pictures, but now I try to trick you with 4 options, okay? So for the first one, what's the weather like? It's windy, it's raining, it's sunny, or it is snowing. For the first one, I can see an umbrella, and it is definitely raining. It is raining. Very good. Moving to the next one, it's windy, it's raining, it's sunny, and it is snowing. The answer is definitely windy. Very good. Moving to the third one, same options, but the answer is snowing, or it is snowy, okay? And for the last one, it is sunny. It is sunny. Very good, my dear student. Now, I have this one. Match the weather samples to the weather. Now, I try to add more words. I know you can do them. Hot, windy, cold, cloudy, snowy, sunny, stormy, rainy, and warm. Now, I have 2 words here, hot and warm. Let's try to differentiate them based on the picture. The first one is an easy one. It is sunny. Second one is also easy. It is rainy. Third one, we just did that. It is cloudy. Now, look at number 4 and look at the temperature here. Is it high? If it is high, then it is hot. Okay, it's very hot, especially in summer. Now, moving to the next one. As you can see, the temperature is very low. It's not hot now, it is cold. Very good. Now, moving to number 6, the temperature is not so high, and it's not very cold or very low, so it is warm. The temperature is warm. Number 7, it's windy. Number 8 is snowy. I try to give you a different picture. And for the last one, it is stormy. So we have 3 additional words here, hot, cold, and warm. Now, you have this in your books with the numbers at page 59. As you can see here, I have number 1, sunny, dusty, rainy, windy, and snowy, As you can see here, I have sunny, that's number 1. Number 2, I have dusty. Number 3, I have rainy. So let's go ahead and match the numbers, windy and snowy. This is in your book at page 59, page 59. So let's try to revise what we have learned in this lesson, my dear student. We practice the question, what's the weather like, or how is the weather today? Based on your place or in your city or on the season, you will be giving us different answer, okay, different answer. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.